Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a beautiful journey to a hidden gem in Maharashtra. Tapola, lovingly known as the mini Kashmir of the West. If you love peaceful nature, fresh mountain air, and breathtaking landscapes, this place is truly a dream destination. Tapola is located near the popular hill station of Mahabaleshwar, yet it remains calm, untouched, and beautifully quiet, perfect for travelers who want to escape busy city life. As you arrive in Tapola, the first thing you'll notice is the stunning view of Shivsagar Lake. The sparkling water stretches endlessly, surrounded by lush green hills and dense forests. Early mornings here are magical. Soft mist floats over the lake, birds sing gently in the distance, and the cool breeze refreshes your senses. It feels like nature is welcoming you with open arms. One of the most popular activities in Tapola is boating and kayaking. Gliding slowly across the calm water gives you a peaceful connection with nature. The reflections of the hills on the lake create a picture-perfect scene, ideal for photography lovers and nature enthusiasts. For adventure seekers, Tapola offers trekking trails through forests and small hills. These trails lead to scenic viewpoints where you can enjoy panoramic views of the valley and the lake. The sunsets here are especially beautiful, painting the sky with warm shades of orange and pink. It's the kind of moment that stays in your heart forever. Tapola is also known for its simple village lifestyle. The local people are warm, welcoming, and always ready to share stories about their land and traditions. You can enjoy fresh homemade food prepared with love, often using locally grown ingredients. Every meal feels comforting and authentic. Small campfire, listening to the gentle sounds of nature, and watching the sky filled with countless stars. It's peaceful, relaxing, and truly unforgettable. The best time to visit Tapola is between October and March, when the weather is pleasant and perfect for outdoor activities. During the monsoon season, the greenery becomes even more vibrant, but travelers should be cautious due to slippery roads and heavy rains. Tapola is ideal for families, couples, solo travelers, and nature lovers. Whether you're looking for adventure, photography, relaxation, or quality time with loved ones, this destination offers something special for everyone. What makes Tapola truly unique is its calmness. There are no crowded streets, loud noises, or busy markets. Instead, you'll find fresh air, open landscapes, and peaceful surroundings that help you reconnect with yourself and nature. So, if you're planning your next getaway and want a place that combines beauty, tranquility, and adventure, Tapola should definitely be on your travel list. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel stories and hidden destinations. Until next time, keep exploring